Assalamualaikum, greetings. Are you looking to create an amazing or beautiful bracelet with beads? Let's get started. Take a beaded wire or tie a knot of lobster lock in the center. Then insert seed beads both sides. Take a 1 seed bead or cross the both sides of wire. Repeat the same process. Insert 1 crystal bead, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal bead in one side, 1 crystal bead on the other side. Take a 1 seed bead or cross the both sides of wire. 1 crystal bead, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal bead on other side of wire, and 1 crystal bead in one side of wire. Insert beads in the wire, same as shown in the video. Repeat the process. After that, take a 1 seed bead or cross the both sides of wire. Half bracelet is ready. The same process is repeated in this bracelet making. But don't leave. Complete watching the video. If you want to learn many more videos related making jewelry or resin art, like this video or subscribe to my channel. And last again, take a seed bead on both sides. Take a 1 seed bead or cross the both sides of wire. Finally, tie the knot. Results. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.